What if I told you that you could up your passive income game with ChatGPT? That's right! I'm about to reveal my top secrets on how I have exploded my passive income to the roof with ChatGPT, all for free. That's right, folks, get ready, because you won't have to watch another video on making passive income with ChatGPT after this. Hey you. Yes, you. Are you tired of working long hours for a paycheck that barely covers your bills? If you're anything like me, chances are you're looking for ways to earn more income. You've come to the right place. In this video, I'll reveal 5 secret ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. That's right, you can make money while you sleep with these strategies. So, get your notes ready and watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. Let's go! The first secret way to make passive income with ChatGPT is by selling ebooks. Hey now, I can see you rolling your eyes. Yes, you. And I get it. How can you write a book when you don't know how to do that? What if I told you that ChatGPT could help you write a book in just a few hours? That's right. With ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality content on any topic and then package it into an ebook and sell it online. Let me illustrate this. This werewolf romance has made over $19,000. The book has 3,285 ratings. Multiply that by the product price of $5.99. That's $19,647 the author has made from this book alone. And it is one in a series. You can create an ebook just like this with ChatGPT. It can give you a story premise, an outline, a detailed plot, a blurb, and even book cover ideas. You don't have to limit yourself to novels if you're not into that. You can go for kids' storybooks, self-help books, cookbooks, self-development books, and whatever you like. Your options are limitless. The best part is once you've created your ebook, you can continue to earn passive income from it for years. Thanks, ChatGPT! The second way to make passive income with ChatGPT is by writing blog posts. If you're a content creator or business owner, you don't want to miss this. You know how difficult it can be to come up with ideas that will boost your brand and increase sales. Now, you have ChatGPT for this. You can use ChatGPT to generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, scripts, etc. The best part? ChatGPT can create SEO-optimized posts that will boost your business's visibility and place you directly in front of potential customers searching for your product, which equals more sales. All you have to do is publish your content and watch your sales double as customers find you easily through your optimized content with the help of ChatGPT. Probably my favorite, the next secret way to make passive income with ChatGPT is with cryptocurrency. How on earth can ChatGPT help with earning money through cryptocurrency? Brace yourself for this one, because I'm about to knock your socks off. Trading crypto is one of the most popular ways of generating passive income. That's because it's easy to earn with the right knowledge and guidance. It is also an exciting opportunity to diversify and triple your investment and earnings. How is this possible? Crypto offers high rates that outdo banks, and if your timing is right, your investment and earnings increase in value. Before you get excited, it comes with its risks like any other form of investment. This is where ChatGPT can help you understand the basics of crypto trading, such as how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, read charts, and use trading platforms. ChatGPT can analyze crypto and provide you with insights into which coins are likely to perform well in the future. It can also give you tips and strategies to diversify your portfolio and manage risks. That's crazy! But you know what's even crazier? Say hello to CryptoC. CryptoC is an AI trading bot that will help you trade cryptocurrencies without you actually having to trade yourself. That's right, CryptoC will do the dirty work for you. This is perfect if you're new to crypto and don't know how to go about it. When you've gathered information from ChatGPT, head over to www.cryptoc.com and watch it work magic. Don't worry, I've got you. The link is in the description. That's my top secret right there. Don't tell anyone. Expect nothing less from your AI bestie. Before we continue, smash that like button if you found this video valuable so far. Share this video with your AI-loving friends or anyone looking to make more income. Thank you. Now, I hope you've still got space in your notes because this next tip will change your life. Yes, you've heard that right. How? Keep watching to find out. The fourth secret way to make passive income with ChatGPT is to sell your knowledge through online courses. This method is perfect for anyone who loves to share knowledge with others, whether you're an expert or not. If you're an expert in your field of study, profession, or anything you've spent hours honing your skill, that's perfect. With ChatGPT's help, you can create high-quality course content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually, and then sit back and watch the passive income roll in every time someone buys it. This is a great way to make money from your expertise and help others learn a new skill. But how can ChatGPT help you do that? ChatGPT can help you research various ideas or refine yours to your taste. It can also help you arrange your ideas to give you an outline so you can organize your thoughts and ideas better. And even if you're not an expert, ChatGPT can help you create your online course from scratch. You can then sell your courses using a storefront like Stan, Selar, or even YouTube. And if you're not up to doing that, you can sell your courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, or Coursera. My fifth and last secret for you is to create and sell templates. This is perfect if you are a design expert or creative professional. You can sell your talent and expertise and make money in your sleep. By creating templates for things like resumes, business cards, and social media posts, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Stan, or social media like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok and earn passive income every time someone buys them. For example, if you're great at writing YouTube videos, you can create a template and sell it to others who don't know how to script videos for their YouTube channels. Easy peasy. This is a great way to make money from your creativity and help others save time on design. So, there you have it. 5 secret ways to make passive income with ChatGPT. Whether you're an expert, a content creator, a teacher, or a designer, ChatGPT offers plenty of opportunities to earn money on the side. From selling your knowledge to creating and selling courses, there's something for everyone on ChatGPT. So, which of these secret methods will you be using to generate passive income? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications for the latest news and trends on AI content. See you in the next one!